Hello, I'm going to present to you my POPBL project. I'm Daniel, and I'm going to present to you about a GemCar application. So there's a problem in MFU where students, staff, and visitors to MFU have to wait for the GemCar. And while waiting at the station or waiting at the stop, no one knows when the next GemCar will arrive or if the GemCars are even running that day. So the main objectives of this project to understand the problem, understand the user, come up with ideas to resolve the problem, and create an effective design solution. We have a quote by Einstein. It says, "The best design is the simplest one that works." So the business model. The business model for this application is the way in which the design solution or final product will be able to make a profit and see a return on the invested time or money. So here we can see a picture of the GemCar, and here's a typical stop within MFU. They have both sheltered and unsheltered stops. And there's no timetable and there's no way of knowing that when the next bus will arrive. So for the business model, I have three possible avenues for which the application can see profit. Number one, the solution is paid for by the user, so a paid application. Second, the solution is sold to MFU as a packaged application where they agree to pay a fixed sum of money. Or third, the solution is sponsored by an advertiser for additional revenue. So here's the mind map, and it's the way in which I came up with the idea to create an application. So in the mind map, there was some other ideas to resolve the bus delay schedule. Some of those are creating a routine schedule so that the buses come every 10 minutes or every 20 minutes. A car share system, a signal system, a light indication system. But it was found the best solution would be to use an application because everybody has a mobile phone in their pocket. So the thought process behind choosing the appropriate solution is that the design must be able to be completed by a team, sensible to implement, must be able to be used by everyone, must be budget friendly, and must be profitable. So the idea was to create an application like Uber so that the user can open this application and see visually on a map where the buses are in MFU. And there's a ETA of when the next bus will come so that the user can then gauge to wait at the bus stop or to continue staying in the university or just plan their day better. So here's the use case diagram for the application. So the passenger can access the passenger system. And in the passenger system, they'll be able to request a driver and they'll be able to view GemCars in real time. The driver can access the driver system and they can see when they have to drive. And they can also view the cars in real time. So the driver is going to have a system that helps him work and that notifies them when passengers have arrived and the passenger is going to have a system which tells them when the next bus will come and can visually see the buses on a diagram, and the admin can edit the system. Okay, so the user interface, got for something simple, a simple login system. So I want it to be a one-time login. So after the passenger or the driver's logged in, the system, the driver or the passenger system stays on the phone. So here's an example of the driver page. It will include a picture of the driver, notifications of when or if there's any passengers waiting at a stop, check-in, timetable, where they can see when the buses are running, and a bus map, which is the same bus map available for the passenger. Okay, so here's the passenger system. So the passenger system can see the main menu is request a bus, an interactive map, and the timetable. And here's the, on the right, we can see the driver map, and it shows where the drivers are in real time. And finally, we've got the timetable. And the timetable shows what days the services are running. If there's a public holiday, is the service running? And the timetable also changes for the driver system and tells the driver what hours that they're working. Okay, well, thank you very much for viewing my presentation. If you have any questions, please contact me. Yeah.